Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how I got this fall vampy look. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So I'm taking the Tartelette Toasted palette by Tarte. I'm going in with S'mores as my first shade. I'm laying this down as a base and transition shade. Next I'm going in with Latte as another transition shade just to deepen up my crease a little bit. Now I'm taking the shade Cozy and I'm just focusing that in my crease as well and kind of on the outer V just to give my eye some more dimension and smokiness. Now I'm going in with the shade Fireside and I'm going to focus that mainly on the outer portion of my eye. And I'm going to use a stamping motion instead of a swiping motion, that way I can slowly build the color up. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out all those shades that we used, just kind of make them more cohesive. Now I'm just going to take this shade Sunset on a dry packing brush. Going to take it dry first and then I will eventually wet it to amp up that color. Now I'm just going in with the shade Fireside again just to blend out our lid shade and kind of deepen back up that outer V. Now I'm just going in with a makeup wipe to remove some of the fallout that happened on my face. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Prime and put that on the outer portion of my face just to kind of give me some hydration there. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser and fill in my T-zone. It's really good to help kind of fill in the pores on my face. I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Snow, and I'm using my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to blend that out. I'm just going in with Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Beige, and I'm just going to dot that all over my face, and then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge again to blend that out. I'm using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm going to use that to bake the face. This powder is really good. It leaves my face looking nice and smooth. I really like it. It's a really good, affordable option for face powder. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Natural Face Palette and I'm going in with the shade Sunny Honey as my bronzer. I'm going to kind of use this as a contour as well. And in that same palette, I'm going to take the Pink Sand shade and I'm going to use that as my blush. Next, I'm going in with Satin Sheets as my highlight. I'm taking this big fluffy brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to dust away my bake. I'm taking the Milani Make It Last setting spray to set my face. I'm just taking the little fan that I got off of Amazon to help dry that setting spray down. I'm going back in with the Toasted palette and I'm going in with the shade Latte to kind of run that all over my bottom lash line. Going in with the shade Cozy and I'm going to run that on the outer portion of my eye, just kind of on the outer half. I'm taking the shade Fireside and I'm going to focus that on the outer part of my eye, just kind of connecting that to the top part of my eye. Now I'm using Sunrise and I'm going to use that as my brow bone and inner corner highlight. Using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise for my mascara. Now I'm just using the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Blacklove and I'm using that in the waterline of my eye. Now for lip liner, I'm taking the Essence Lip Liner in the shade 11 in the Nude. For my lip color, I'm using the Ochre Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next one.